Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply full screen on WhatsApp status. So if you want to apply full screen WhatsApp status, what you have to do is first of all, I'm just going to open Instagram application and then I have to search for a reel. So let's say I want to add this reel as my WhatsApp status. So I just have to tap on these three dots and tap on this see where to share link. Now you will see this option add reel to your story. So just tap on it. And now when you are on this window, you just have to tap on these three dots and tap on this save. Now it will processing and as you can see our video is saved. So after that you just have to come for this application, Alight Motion, just tap on this plus icon. So you just have to make sure to select this resolution 1080 and 2320. I'm going for black color, and then after selecting the size you just have to tap on this create project, and now you just have to tap on this plus icon, tap on this media, allow access, and now here is the video as you can see. And now you just have to go for this move and transformation, and you have to tap on this third option. And now as you can see you just have to zoom in your video like this, and when you are done, now if we play our video as you can see, and then you just have to go for this save button and then tap on this export. And now as you can see our video is exporting. So you just have to wait a little bit, and when you are done you just have to tap on this save, and now our video is saved. So now if we go to WhatsApp and tap on this camera icon and upload the video, here is the video, and now this video is in full screen so you can see. So that's it, that's how you can apply full screen WhatsApp status. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.